She says you're too sensitive, or worse, maybe you're just not man enough. These aren't just harmless words. They're psychological landmines disguised as casual remarks that erode your self-worth over time. And when a woman starts to say these 10 things, it's not just a red flag, it's a full-blown emergency. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 things women say that a Stoic man should never tolerate. Words that sound subtle, even innocent, but are laced with manipulation, ego, and emotional control. Because if you don't leave when these lines start slipping from her mouth, you're not being loving, you're being weak. And that weakness will cost you your peace, your power, and ultimately, your identity. This is not about hate, it's about clarity. It's not about being cold, it's about protecting your fire. Let's begin. The Stoics taught that our peace is the highest good. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." But too often, men sacrifice that peace for affection, for validation, for someone who doesn't speak with respect, but with subtle daggers. Today's relationships are filled with emotional manipulation, and most men don't even see it happening until they're completely drained. Seneca once warned us, "You must set boundaries for your soul before someone else writes them in blood." So this list isn't just relationship advice, it's your Stoic firewall, a way to protect your inner fortress from words that chip away at your core. Let's get into the 10 things. If she says any of these, leave immediately. 1. You're too sensitive. Translation, she's trying to invalidate your feelings. A Stoic man doesn't get emotional, but he does recognize manipulation. When someone dismisses your emotions instead of engaging with them respectfully, that's not love, it's power play. 2. You're lucky I'm even with you. This is deep psychological warfare. It's designed to keep you feeling like you're not enough. Epictetus warned, "No man is free who is not master of himself." If she makes you feel like you're beneath her, you're giving her control over your self-worth. Leave. 3. You're just like my ex. This statement is a trap. It paints you into a corner where no matter what you do, you're viewed through the lens of her past. A Stoic man lives in the present, and he refuses to be compared or categorized. 4. You need to man up, used to shame, to control, to push you into submission. But masculinity isn't defined by how much pain you absorb. It's defined by how deeply rooted you are in your principles. This phrase is an attack on your integrity. Walk away. 5. If you really loved me, you'd... Any sentence that begins this way is manipulation dressed as affection. It's emotional blackmail. Stoicism teaches us that love must be rooted in reason, not coercion. 6. I don't need you. Said often during fights or power struggles, it's a way of asserting dominance, not truth. A healthy relationship is built on mutual appreciation, not threats of abandonment. 7. You're overthinking it. This is gaslighting, plain and simple, a way to make you doubt your instincts. And when a man starts doubting his own perception of reality, he's no longer a man, he's a puppet. 8. Other guys wouldn't act like this. Comparison is the death of connection. The moment she brings up what other men would do, she's weaponizing your insecurity. A Stoic man doesn't compete, he simply walks away from disrespect. 9. You're always so serious, said in a tone meant to shame your depth. But seriousness is not a flaw. It's focus, it's discipline, it's purpose. If she mocks that, she doesn't understand the weight you carry as a man. 10. Maybe we should take a break. When someone uses ambiguity to control the relationship narrative, they are not looking for resolution. They're looking for leverage. Stoic men don't stay where they are treated like an option. Now pay attention to these modern applications. Here's the thing. Most men ignore these phrases. They rationalize them. They say, she didn't mean it like that. She was just upset. Maybe I am overthinking it. But every time you excuse this behavior, you chip away at your own dignity. The Stoics didn't advocate being cold. They advocated being clear. Clear in your standards. Be clear in your boundaries. Clear in who stays and who goes. If a woman says these things often, she's not challenging you, she's diminishing you. And your silence will not be interpreted as strength, it will be seen as a weakness, as permission. So stop chasing love where there is no respect. Stop justifying behavior that your gut knows is wrong. You don't owe anyone your peace, especially not someone who weaponizes your emotions to control you. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Never esteem anything as profitable that will require you to break your word or to lose your self-respect." Remember this, you were not born to beg, you were not designed to be manipulated, and you were not created to be broken by words dressed in affection. If she says these 10 things, leave. Not tomorrow, not after another apology, but now. Leave, not because you're weak, but because you've grown too strong to stay where your value is questioned. Be calm, be silent, and walk away, because that is what a Stoic king does.